Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your TikTok app. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon right next to it so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you want to log out of your TikTok app, then here's how to do it. In today's video, I'm using my Android device, but if you have an iPhone, then the process is quite similar. So you can simply follow the steps for your iPhone as well. Go to your TikTok app and make sure you are inside your home page. From the main home screen, go and tap on the profile icon at the lower right hand corner. This will take you to your profile page. You'll be able to see all of the videos that you've created on TikTok. In this page, go to the top right hand corner and tap on the hamburger menu. From the settings and privacy page, scroll all the way down and under login, you should see two options. You can switch between accounts if you have more than one account logged into your TikTok app with the device. Tap on switch accounts if you want to switch between the accounts. If you want to log out of the particular account, tap on the log out button at the bottom. Now, in the pop-up that asks you if you are sure you want to log out, tap on log out in order to confirm your selection one more time. After a few seconds, you'll be logged out of your TikTok application. To sign in back again from this page, you'll need to tap on the login button. Select any one option that you'd like to use in order to log in. But remember to select the exact option that you used while signing up for TikTok. Let me choose the first option. Here, you can either enter your mobile number that is registered to TikTok or type in your email or your username followed by your password and tap on login. That is how you can easily log out of your TikTok app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.